What's good, YouTube? I gotta say my bad because I was accidentally recording my face throughout this trade, but we passed the challenge. I'm gonna just go over the trade real quick. So basically, like I did the same thing that I've been doing. You know what I mean? So basically when I came to the chart this morning, I saw that we were getting higher highs and higher lows, and I felt like we already dipped down a decent amount. So on the hour you had like you kind of had like a support area here, you kind of had a resistance area right here. And so then what I was thinking was, since we were tapping this area, like, and the reason why I have this marked up is because we have all these like areas where price couldn't break. So I just figured, and then once I saw this rejection, I was like, okay, maybe that's an area of support. So when I went onto the 5 minute, I looked at that area, I'm like, okay, well, we're starting to like consolidate in this area. And I'm not gonna lie, when you see like price consolidating at like the bottom or the top, and then you see changes in the structure, that could kind of tell you like when we're about to get a reversal. It doesn't guarantee it, but like if you know that price has been dropping for a minute or it been pushing up for a little minute, like it might just play out in your favor. You know what I mean? So we ended up having a demand right here. So the reason why this is demand is because we had an aggressive push up, and then we had a pullback. So remember, if you guys go watch any of the other live trading videos, or if you guys watch the like little strategy video I posted, like it'll show you how to take these trades. Um, so we had the push up, we had the pullback, candle break, boom, and I took it to, so from here, our stop loss was like right here, and I just closed it out like right there. So I do think that price is gonna keep going up, and it's probably gonna it's probably gonna come up to like take out some of these highs or something, maybe. But yeah, that's pretty much all I did. That's what passed the challenge. So yeah, like this isn't a long video. Like that's pretty much all you gotta do. Like I said, you now at this point, like you just gotta do the same exact thing that we've been doing. Do it 5 more times. Well, you might have to do it a couple more than five, just because you might take a loss in between. But you just gotta make $200, and you see that we've made like thousands in a day off of these trades. You know what I mean? And so I think that because I haven't done, like I said, this is my first time having any type of experience with Top Step. So I think once you hit like the 5 days for $200 at least, you can request a withdrawal. But like I would say still trade it normally, because like if you want to guarantee yourself a low payout, just take the $200 a day. But like I think like if I'm not mistaken, and I could update y'all, I guess. But I think like let's say I make like 500 one my first trade, 1,000 my second trade, like 200 my third trade, something like that. Like, you know what I mean? I'm pretty sure it just calculates all of that, and it doesn't matter about the 200. But I could be wrong. So like if you in the comments, just let me know. You feel me? Um, but I'm gonna figure it out anyway. But yeah, so that's pretty much all that's going on with that trade, and yeah. So I hope y'all learned something from what I've been teaching y'all. We're gonna have more videos to come. I think next I might do like a smaller account flip or something like that. Um, Maybe start with like 1,000 or like 2,000, and then we'll trade that up and try to get it to like maybe like 5 or 10K, something like that. And then yeah, so that's pretty much all I got for y'all. So I'll see y'all in the next video.